Fundamentally, cryptographic money generally is a totally decentralized cash essentially founded on a blockchain calculation in a significant manner. The blockchain organization will affirm and confirm all new passages into the record and any progressions to it. Among the four driving digital forms of money, viz., Bitcoin, Ethereum, and TI likewise highlight close to convention as a transcendent player. What is close to convention? The strong arrangements presented by close to convention by and large are the side effect of the cerebrums and truly work of a portion of the main tech and organization specialists, who in a real sense have most certainly loaned their wonderful commitments to these surprising administrations, made by engineers Alex Skidnov and Ilya Polisukhin, both of whom have broad involvement with programming. Close to convention's fundamentally local token is called close and is utilized to pay exchange expenses and capacity in a kind of significant manner. Dispensing with siloed network opens the genuine capability of a kind of whole biological system of novel installment entryways that are quick, secure, and minimal expense. Close tailor-made of a legacy and values which are established on the structure of more prominent monetary decency, and a chance for all through exploration, training, and generosity in an unpretentious way. Close to convention is a public evidence of stake blockchain with a mentality to be easy to understand, integrating highlights like intelligible record names rather than just cryptographic wallet addresses and the capacity for new clients to communicate with dapps and shrewd agreements without requiring a wallet by any stretch of the imagination, with a completely unique way to deal with versatility through sharding. Close to convention in every practical sense has been an answer supplier by handling, discussing, approving, and finishing exchanges to different hubs in a significant manner. An essential benefit of sharding by and large has been to lessen the computational burden by parting or parceling the organization into shards. This would, thusly, speed up network limit. The ongoing cost of close to convention basically remains at $3.04 with a market cap of $2,484,237,391 and a 24 hours exchanging volume of $239,842,933, which is very huge. The ongoing coursing supply of close to convention basically remains at 817,731,461 close, or so they thought. The record-breaking kind of high of the crypto explicitly was $20.42, while the ongoing cost is exchanging at an extremely low of 85.13%. Similarly, Close's cost has been in a critical down run, as its worth tumbled from sort of almost $20 to a tremendous especially low of $3, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. For the really token to work on its presentation and be a top speculation road, it necessitates to perform in basically the same manner to when it arrived at its unsurpassed genuinely high. What news might affect approach convention cost from now on? The close to local area is areas of strength for very close to convention's cost is affected by different variables and news. The close to stage is as yet creating, and its usefulness isn't yet totally sent off. Some news could have a transient effect, while others might have a long haul. Other than the biological system's turn of events, general market feelings and request supply influence the cost of close to from here on out. Close to convention digital currency is the 29th biggest cryptographic money, or so they thought. Going by the future cost drifts and close to cost expectation, the close to convention cost might come to the $3.50 mark this year in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Close to convention cost expectation demonstrates that the coin won't give a kind of good profit from especially your speculation, as the cost might tumble to 20 cents in the following year amazingly. Simultaneously, Gov Capital's close to token cost forecast proposes that it will have a bullish pattern, and the greatest cost of the crypto might be around $18.63 in the truly 1 year from now. Then again, computerized coin value sort of says that the crypto will exchange at a typical cost of $8.07 in 2025 in a significant manner. While as per the examination of a MB crypto, the coin might exchange between $20.94 to $31.41 in 2030. Close to convention value forecast 2022. According to our close to convention cost expectation, the base, normal, and most extreme exchange values might be around $2.50, $3, and $3.50 in the crypto market. According to the examination, we generally foresee that the close to convention will be good to go to confront a bullish pattern before very long. Close to convention value expectation 2023. As per our close to convention cost expectation for 2023, the base and greatest costs are expected to be around $3.90 and $5.75. Separately, incredibly, simultaneously, the typical cost might be around $4.80. Close to costs will essentially begin to recuperate from 2023. close to convention value forecast 2024 in a significant manner. The closest cost is going to have a sort of typical cost of $6.40, according to the close to cost expectation. The normal greatest cost is $7.48, and the truly least cost generally is $5.31. The worth close to coin is supposed to rise consistently founded on its presentation, which is very huge. Close to convention value expectation 2025, which sort of is genuinely huge, as indicated by our close to cost estimate. The greatest worth is supposed to be $9.30, while the potential low may especially be around $7.11. The adjustment of close to convention is supposed to be moderate for 2025, and the typical cost might be around $8.20 for the whole year. Close to convention value expectation 2026. Our close to cost expectations during the current year give very reassuring indications expressing that the nearest cost could hop around $10.90 by 2026, while the base and normal costs might be $7.58 and $9.20. Separately, on the lookout, merchants might have truly begun wagering on the close to cost, following this token intently for putting away cash. Close to convention value forecast 2027. According to Resource Investigation and close to convention cost forecast, the coin's cost will scale at the pinnacle of $11.55, while the base cost might be $8.72. The typical cost is supposed to be around $10.10 in the crypto world and in an every way that really matters, huge way. Putting resources into the very token with flawless timing may essentially give respectable benefits, as the close to convention's cost is supposed to develop. Close to convention value forecast 2028, which is very huge. According to our close to convention value expectation and specialized examination, the coin will in every practical sense proceed the upturn as long as possible, and its most extreme cost may basically reach $12.73 in an unpretentious manner, while the genuinely least cost might be $9.20. In light of our close to coin cost expectation, it could have a typical cost of $11. Close to convention value forecast 2029. In spite of prevalent thinking, as indicated by the close to convention cost expectations, it might stir things up around town cost of $13.89 and the base cost of around $10.52 for the year 2029. Simultaneously, the typical worth might be around $12.20 in an unobtrusive manner. Critical development is normal in close to cost consistently. Close to convention value expectation 2030. The close to conventions market will fundamentally keep on filling in the long haul, or so they thought. In light of our close to cost forecast 2030, we anticipate that the token should raise a ruckus around town cost of $15.70, with a base cost of $12.11. The fundamentally normal close to conventions cost can be somewhere near $13.90. Is close to convention a very wise speculation? Indeed, close to convention may commonly be a wise venture.